Hello friends, in today's video we are going to talk about Windows 11, when it is going to be launched and what are the features which will be coming in Windows 11. So without wasting any time, let's get started. CEO of Microsoft has officially confirmed that Windows 11 is going to have most significant update of the decade. So yes, lot of cool stuff are coming soon. Windows has officially confirmed that they are going to be having an event in 24th of June 2021. They have not yet revealed what is going to be happening in the event, but with the provided video clip, we can find out that the Windows logo shaded part is forming an angle of 11 degree, which means of course it is going to be about the Windows 11. And even in the Microsoft official YouTube channel, below the 24th June Microsoft event category, there is a video clip of Windows startup sound which is exactly 11 minutes of duration, which also confirmed that Windows 11 is going to be launched in 24th of June. So now let's look at some of the features and the changes that Windows 11 will have according to the leaks and the rumors. The new Windows 11 will be having more minimalistic and modern design with rounded and curved edges providing very nice look. And we can expect floating menus providing more modern look, and it is also confirmed that the animations is going to be more smoother and more responsive compared to the Windows 10. It is also expected to bring new widgets and more customization theme looks as the new Big Sur OS of Apple has bought it. So we can expect the same feature in Windows 11 or maybe even better than the Big Sur Mac OS. Windows 11 will be having new file manager providing more easy to use interface and Chrome like tabs to do multiple operations in a single page. It is also expected to have new icon packs and colorful icon providing modern look. I'm not sure whether everyone will like it, but definitely it looks better than the previous Windows versions according to me. There will be a new option called News and Interest which will be available on the taskbar, which can be enabled or disabled. This feature will allow you to show the latest news and weather depending upon the location and the region you stay. Windows 11 is going to be more optimized for even entry-level hardware, providing smoother experience and reducing the usage of hardware resource, providing lighter and smooth experience. This will be helpful especially for gamers who doesn't want to give up much hardware resource only for the operating system. Talking about the gamers, like we have game mode in Windows 10, we can expect better version of game mode in Windows 11 providing more useful features. Well, these were some interesting features from Windows 11 according to the leaks and the rumors. We can expect more better and useful features in the future after update or after the Windows 11 really launches. We will try to get the hands on the Windows 11 as soon as it get launches as much fast as possible. So for that, please stay tuned. So that's all for today's video. So if you like this video, please hit the like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified. So I'll catch you in the next. Bye.